Hi, today I am going to explain the critical magnetic field. Suppose you consider a superconductor over here. If you apply magnetic field to this superconductor, then due to the Meissner effect, the superconductor, as it has diamagnetic property, will not allow the magnetic field lines to go through it. But there is a magnetic field, or you may say the minimum magnetic field, which we need to give to this superconductor to destroy its superconducting properties even at a temperature which is lower than the critical temperature is the critical magnetic field. Let me explain you this through a graph. I draw this curve. I take y-axis as Hc and x-axis as T as temperature. Magnetic field intensity versus temperature curve. If you consider niobium and consider the critical temperature over here, then you will find the value of Hc as 0. So at critical temperature of any element, the critical magnetic field intensity is a perfect 0. We will explain this with the help of an empirical formula. First, let me explain this with the help of graph. If you decrease and decrease and decrease the temperature, as you can see, the magnetic field required, or the minimum magnetic field required to destroy the superconducting properties of this material, will increase. That is, lower the temperature is, higher the critical magnetic field needed to destroy the superconducting property. If I consider a range of temperature, suppose the critical temperature of a particular element is 4.2 Kelvin, and theoretically the lowest temperature achieved can be 0 Kelvin, though it's not possible to achieve absolute 0 in reality. If you decrease and decrease and decrease the temperature, as you are doing so, at absolute 0 temperature, that is 0 Kelvin, the value of magnetic field intensity will become the maximum, that is H naught. If at a particular temperature, suppose here's the temperature for NB, the magnetic field required to destroy superconducting property is 0.02 Tesla. If you decrease the temperature, you will need more magnetic field to destroy the superconducting properties of this material and to bring it in its normal state. So here is the empirical formula. You need to remember this. Hc is equal to H naught within a bracket 1 minus T upon T square, bracket close. So at Tc, if you put Tc in place of T, you can see the value of magnetic field intensity is zero. Just put Tc over here. Tc will cut with Tc and will become 1. 1 minus 1 0. X is 0. As you decrease the temperature, this term into this term will increase and HC will increase. As more you decrease, this term will increase, and at a certain value, that is 0 Kelvin, if you put 0 over here, see, this becomes H naught. So Hc becomes H naught at T equals to 0 Kelvin. So this is all about critical magnetic field. Just don't get confused between critical magnetic field or magnetic field intensity. People often gets confused in this too. Magnetic field is BC and I have drawn over here HC. Not a big deal. As you know, HC equals to BC upon. There will be just a small change in slope if you take this. The shape of the graph will be almost same. So don't get confused in the small things. So thanks for watching the video. Hope it's clear to you. Thanks again.